everyone knows that YouTube has a new option, that is YouTube Shorts. And you can say that the TikTok version content or Instagram Reel version content are same as YouTube Shorts. At this time, everyone is talking about YouTube Shorts on YouTube and giving money making ideas on that. And no one is talking about exact strategy about how to viral and make money on short videos without showing face and without shooting any video. So right now here I am gonna tell you 100% free and genuine way to make money by using YouTube Shorts and YouTube videos. For that, you have to like the video and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. We can create and viral YouTube Shorts in 4 steps. Step number 1, find the right content which can give us the best amount of money and growth. For that example, we take a cat niche, and for that go to YouTube and search cat, and you can see there are thousands of videos which we can use in our short videos channel. And now you can ask that how we can use that, because this is the copyright content. Wait, I give you the exact strategy to make it your own. So right, we gonna take this video link now. Step number 2, download this video. For download, go to Google and type YouTube videos downloader and click any link and paste link and download it. Boom. Now for make it on, go to any video editor, but I am going to use a online editor and you can use it also, is canva.com. Now when you come up on Canva and you write here mobile video, you can see here multiple video templates that we can use, but we are here to make it our own. So click here blank mobile video. So whenever you click here, we come upon this window to make our. So click here upload and upload media. You can see this video we have download and it is uploading in Canva. When this video upload it on Canva, we use this video to make it our own with editing. Now here you can see our video is uploaded here. So drag it video on our template and here you can see this video is here. Now we are going to use this video to make it our own. So drag this video like this. So here we video put it here. As we drag it here, stop, and here this video is dragged very easily. Now to make it short, we have to cut it down. To click here cut, and here we are click here to see the which funny moment is on this video. So we are going to this moment from this video to drag it down here to make our this moment right here. So we are going to this use 15 seconds video. So right here we click and select our portion. So we are going to write right here that link in description. For this I will show you at the end of video that how you can monetize this short. So we write here the link in description. So we drag it here and make it size comfort to put it on our video. So here we can copy this and paste it at the end of this video. Right, you can see here this link in description is here. Now we can put it here arrow to make it comfort. Now you can see that we can put this arrow at the end to call to action for people to they can go in the description to see what we have uploaded there. So we can change this color red and copy this same arrow to put it on the other side to make it beautiful. Yeah, so here you can see that we have put two arrows right and left, so we can download this video in your computer and upload it on our YouTube channel to make money online. Yeah, these three steps has completed. Now we move further to upload it on our YouTube channel, and I am going to tell you a way to make money from this short video at the end. How can you monetize this? The video is downloaded, so we are going to click here to upload our video. So upload video, we can click here to upload. Yeah, now select file which we have downloaded from Canva and edit there. So we upload this video onto this. So now we are going to write here for SEO, search engine optimization, that we can write a title cute cat video, right? We can put it here, that link in description to link in DES. Now we have write our title here. For SEO we can copy this and upload it in description to that. Now we can provide hashtag for YouTube shorts. For example, we provide shorts, sh shorts, right? You can put in titles if you want. This is good for YouTube SEO, right? We have put it here, and there is any thumbnail not required, so we have provided here, and you can give your text on. Click here no, and here you can see the video elements not required in shorts video. So click next. So here you can see this is no issues found in copyright. Yeah, this is original. You can own this video. So click here and public. Before publishing, I am going to show you a trick and method to monetize these videos. For monetize these videos, you can go on Teespring. Yeah, this is the website which we are going to use to monetize our short video. So here you can see here different styles of hoodies and t-shirts they have uploaded, but we have to start your designing and make our own design to sell it on our YouTube shorts. So right here to click here to design, and you can see appears accessories. So we are going to use a t-shirt design to make our own design to sell it on our YouTube shorts. So for design you can click on pixels and type cat. As you can see here, there are bunch of more cats images are here. We can download any image to upload on our design. So here click here free download to download this and use on Teespring to make our design. So we can click here add image. So here you can see that we have designed this cat t-shirt, and now you can copy this t-shirt link and paste it in the description. Yes, here right click the link. Now publish this video. Yeah, we have published this video. Now it's live. So this is the way to make money on these short videos. If you like this video, share this video and comment down below which problem you are facing. I will give you solution. If you want more videos about YouTube shorts, you can comment down. Thanks for watching.